Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete the Bill's Prep Pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before you begin, make sure that you have already completed the Underground Tremor quest. After that, you will be asked to collect signs from different town residents by completing the quest they give you. And the first quest is the Bill's quest. So you need to track Bill and take the quest from him. And the quest is called Fish Acting Weird. Okay, I'm gonna click on the conversation and leave it to me. Okay, we need to join a sea fishing trip, guys. So just go back to Bill and start the sea fishing event. Then try to catch fish from the event. And after we finish the event, we'll be able to claim sign from Bill. Okay, now I'm starting the event, guys. And I'm gonna skip my video and I'll be right back after my sea fishing event has been finished. Okay, I've already completed the sea fishing event and catch some fish. So now I'm gonna claim my sign. Just go back to Bill and he will give you a sign. Oh, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the Bill's Prep Pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!